I'm too messy, and then I'm too fucking clean. You phone me, get a job, then you ask where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect, till I open my big mouth. I want to be me, is that not